We were at site number 1. Now we're at site 2. Changed out some SD cards. Put a audio recorder down. But on site 1, we heard some pretty weird stuff, and I hope it shows up or comes up on the camera on audio, because yeah. Okay, guys. What?
It sounds like a monkey.
Guys, we're hearing stuff down here. I don't know what it is, but
I was standing up by the tree and something landed very hard in front of my feet, and it seemed like something threw it. It didn't drop. It was like it was tossed from a distance. It scared me.
Alright, guys. I have the hair standing up in the back of my neck right now for no apparent reason. So, let's continue on, but man, I tell you, I don't know if I really want to see one of these things, to be honest with you. Yeah. Alright, let's continue on. We still gotta go to the other spot, too. That's a bummer, because my camera was off. So I don't know if we forgot to turn it on or what, but oh, that's the way it goes. Here we go. We're back up. That's the direction that we heard. What sounded like a chimpanzee, monkey, something. So I'm gonna keep videotaping. Okay, here we are at spot 2. We're gonna go down and hopefully we get some type of activity. I don't know what was on that other one. I heard, like I said, like a monkey or something. So hopefully it's on audio. I am gonna put an audio recorder down here. I didn't do that last time, but check 2 game cams I got set up and a gifting spot, and we'll see if everything's changed or everything's stayed the same. pretty foggy down here. Visibility is like not very good if something was sneaking around or playing peekaboo. Not good. Not getting any weird vibes here, so hopefully that'll continue, I guess. That was pretty freaky on the last spot. I don't know, I'm gonna find my camera. Oh, there it is. All right, found game cam 1. I'm gonna just change the SD card in it and take the other one. So I'll leave it up and I'll put my audio recorder back down here again. We changed that one out. I gotta go find the other 2. lot of tracks, deer tracks and stuff coming up, and it's pretty active area down here for animals. I'm gonna put my audio recorder up right now. Something that don't sound right. Okay, let's go do the other camera real quick. There's change for the gifting spot, still the same. All right, just switched out the SD cards. I thought I had 3 game cams down there, but I'll have to ask the other group, or the researchers, and they went down here with me last time, so hopefully they remember. But I ended up finding 2 game cams, but I could have sworn there was 3 down here and 1 in the other spot, but I could be wrong. So anyways, we'll see what happens. We'll look through the SD cards and see if there's anything good, and hopefully we picked up that audio. And again, we'll be back at some time to check the cameras again and change out the audio recorder. All right, thanks guys. Hey guys, so if you listen carefully at the beginning of this video, at the 53-second mark to 1 minute 13 seconds, you'll hear what we heard, but it was definitely a lot louder when we were there. We heard a crow, and it transitioned into some type of monkey sounds, and then a crow again, and then a few more monkey sounds. And it's not really easy to try to listen to this on audio. It's not as loud as I was hoping, but let me tell you, it was loud when we were there. And right before this happened, my wife had something tossed at her feet.
It does feel like there's skunk curled in.
So that pretty much left her uneasy, left me uneasy, just trying to figure out what the heck was going on. So check it out. Tell me what you think. Pretty much the conclusion, it's probably a barn owl, but not 100% convinced. So anyways, if you listen to it and you can tell me what it is, or you think you know what it is, leave it in the comments. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.